Hello, how are you all? I hope you all are very good and healthy and strong. So children, we have been discussing how we can keep ourselves clean, how we can remain healthy, what all we need to do, and you must have seen the videos and understood what all we need to do to keep ourselves healthy. So one of the very important part of being healthy and super strong is exercising, to play around. So why don't we start the session with some fun stretching? Okay, so the first one is snap and clap. Snap and clap. So let's get our fingers moving. Snap and clap. Snap and clap. Well done. Okay, so now who doesn't love magic? We all do, right? So you know what we need for a magic is magic wand. So let's stretch our hands and let's imagine we have two magic wands in both our hands. So first we need to move our magic wands, right? So let's move this one first and this one. We should also say something, right? What should we say? Let's say abracadabra. Abracadabra. Any magic happened? No? Well, the magic happened because this will help us to get strong hands. And that's magic, right? So now, because we have done our exercise, let's pat our back. So, take your hands and pat your back. And say, well done. Well done. See, you can pat your own back. Even that's magic. Yay! So let's move forward and sing a rhyme, revising what all we have learned. So we know we need to eat healthy, we need to eat good food and water, and also lots of sleep. All these things help us to grow. So let's start the song. We need food, we need water. Again. We need food, we need water, and lots of sleep, lots of sleep. All these things help us to grow from head to toe, from head to toe. Grow, 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 grow. We'll do one more time. We need food, we need water and sleep, lots of sleep. All these things help us to grow, 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 from head to toe. Grow, grow, grow. Okay, well done. So, along with all these things, we also should keep our surroundings clean and follow some good habits. Okay, so one of the most important thing is we must use a tissue or a napkin when we cough or sneeze. Okay, and also if we have to wipe our face, eyes or nose, we must use a clean tissue or a hanky or a napkin. And what if we don't have any hanky or napkin with us and we want to sneeze or cough? Well, I have taught you that as well. We use our elbow. We use our elbow to cough and sneeze. So there is another short rhyme. If you must sneeze, use your elbow please. If you must sneeze, use your elbow please. Okay, so now we have coughed and sneezed. Now what do? Should we throw it away? No, we must use a dustbin. So we can use a dustbin to throw the napkin that we've used, to throw chocolate wrappers, to throw banana peels, bits of paper or any waste. So we must never throw waste here and there. We must always use a dustbin. If we are at home, if we are in our class, even if we are outside, there are dustbins kept on the sides of the road as well. So always use a dustbin to keep our surroundings clean. Now, also when we play at home or we have done drawings, we have done coloring, after that what do? Do you just get up and go and leave all the things lying around? Well, that's not good either. We must keep our house, our room tidy and clean. So, when we have done our playing and coloring and other activity, we should keep everything in their right place. So now I am going to sing a song which you can also sing while tidying up. And the song is clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. So see, while singing this song, you can tidy up your room, you can tidy up your toys, keep everything in a nice box or in its own place, and you are done. So children, to remain healthy, to take care of ourselves, we must practice this good habits of cleaning ourselves and also keeping our surroundings clean. I'll see you all soon, and I hope you practice all these habits. Bye.